Hi, this is Sandy, and I'm here for the collab hashtag 12 on 12 hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations. And each month, based on a prompt that Penny gives us, we alter an envelope. So this is my envelope, and I found some paper to go in the background that I thought went along with what I was going to do. Our prompt was rainbow, and so in the books that I have from Art by Marlene, she always has very colorful images. And so I found this hot air balloon that I thought was really cute. So I found a dark sky for it to go against. In my head anyway, I was thinking this would be someone out floating in a hot air balloon at night and seeing everything. So I'm going to start by gluing this onto the top of the envelope, onto the flap. And then I'm going to cut it and glue the rest of it below so that we have a completed image when the flap is shut. There we go. Oh, if I could get it lined up there. I think that's pretty good. And then I have the little basket. And these were two separate pieces. The basket and the balloon, but there are usually ropes that go from a hot air balloon down to the basket. So I have a white gel pen, and if I can get it to work okay, I'm going to draw in some ropes. And I thought the white gel pen would be good against that dark background. And then I also had these clouds that were part of the collection, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to put some clouds in the sky too. So I think I just want to stick them underneath the edge of the balloon. And since the one is smaller than the other, I'm going to stick it up a little higher, like it's further away. And the one that's bigger here closer. And then I had these three hearts that I just thought would look kind of cute on there to give something else to the bottom here. So I think I'll just lay them out like that with the largest one on this side. That gives 3, which is usually pleasing to the eye if you have 3. And then the other 2 over here on this side. And then I thought I need to do something on the front, even though I want to leave it open enough to be able to write the addresses on it. But I found this rainbow in that same collection and thought that I would just put it on the front so that the front of the card had some decoration as well. And I think that's my envelope. I hadn't really looked at washi tape to see if I had some that I could put along the side. I don't think I have any that's real colorful, I guess. It's just what I'd want to do with the rainbow theme. Oh, here's one that would work. It's really small, but it has rainbow colors. I didn't even remember I had it. Okay, I'll cut that end off. Get it on the envelope. Cut this little piece that sticks over that rainbow. Okay, and this side. And I think I'll put another strip going up on this left-hand side of the envelope. And I didn't cut that very straight before, so let's see if I can cut it a little straighter to put on there. I think I'll lay it on there and then I'll cut it the shape of the rainbow. Since there's not really a square edge there to lay it against. There we go. Now I think the front looks much prettier. Not quite so plain. And I think that's going to be my envelope for this month. Hashtag 12 on 12, hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations. So I've got the front of the envelope and the back of the envelope. And I appreciate you watching my video. Be sure and check out the hashtag 12 on 12.